Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is my reality and this is where I belong. So yeah, today is like I came here yesterday and today is day 2 of me staying home, and I'm editing the vlog now, so enjoy the vlog. This is what I have vlogged while I stayed there in Guwahati. There's like a small part. I collected everything and made a whole book out of it. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get into it. Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. करो
हमें खोलोगी क्यों ना पागल पागल बंदर आके चाह वो मुझे खाई
Happy New Year, folks! It is 2023. I pray and hope may this year be your year and where you can live your life. Hoping for that. I wish you a very happy New Year. Yo, good morning, folks. This is me, Raymond Sachi, and I'm here vlogging. Today is the first day of 2023. I want to start vlogging because I have left it since the past few months because I was busy. It was hectic. I couldn't work on it, so I will try to start vlogging regularly so my channel will be consistent. I will try to do that, but I don't know, I can't say it right now because I'm in the MA, so I need to study, I need to do assignment, all of that. In spite of that, if I get time, I will definitely vlog. So yeah, I hope your year be with full of happiness and full of achievements. What you have always dreamt of, may it come into reality, and let's work hard for that. And this is the open ground, and I'm walking. So my hair is not that long, but I want a new haircut for this year, so we're planning to get it done. We might go at Katabri part 1. We'll get it done there. I've been there and the service there is quite good, so we might go there. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Plan 1 for the day, and the rest I don't know. I've not planned anything else. Yeah, and we might go later in the library if it is open. We tried to go there yesterday, but it wasn't open, so couldn't go there. So we might go later to the library, but I don't know. Stay tuned to know what happened. That was up that for now. I'll give you update, guys.
Sana ini mana ya?
Today is another day. I'm just vlogging because I just feel like I need to talk. I'm being suppressing too much. So I will say my opinion here. So lately I've been in pressure, like I need to appear for my mid-sem and semester 2. I need to appear for that and I'm not yet prepared. I need a lot of things to be done. But let's see. I've done so many things. Like I appear for my graduation and I passed there. Now let's see for this. I didn't vlog there. Now I'm in my room and my roommates are not here. So yeah. I don't know. I'm what kind of person? I really don't know about myself. Like one time I can be very extrovert and another time I'll be an introvert. It happens. I don't know why. This coming without it too happens with your life too. Like I'm like, I don't wanna talk. And I'll be like, I wanna talk. I don't know. But yeah. Exams are coming, I need to prepare for that. Lately I'm doing my assignments. And for that only I went outside to buy the A4 size paper because our sir told us that he want an handwritten thing, so I'm gonna write it here. So I will block when anything happen and when I feel like to block. So stay tuned.
Study that you will understand easily. But about non-fiction, you have any confusion in my part? Huh? Tell me. Is any confusion?
I don't know, but I'm crying because of my emotions, which are suppressed inside me, and which I never share with anyone. Because I don't know. Good morning, guys. It is 10th of January and I have an exam, not an exam, it's a class days. OBS, that is behavioral science. I need to prepare for that, and I was preparing for that. And what were you doing? Just coming me down a conversation right now. Since I came here, I've been running here and there doing all this university work, and so I don't get the time, enough time, which I used to get when I was at home, as compared here. Because at home, my mom used to help me with the things. Here, I'm doing everything on my own, so that's the thing. I'm sorry. No, I'm not sorry, because I'm doing my work. I'm doing this too, so I'll try to make up and block as much as I can and put it in the clip and combine a blog out of it. Well, this is the thing. And my roommates, they're still asleep. And now I'll go to have breakfast. It's almost 8 and our breakfast is at 8 o'clock. See you guys. Guys, it is around 4:51 and I'm talking after a while. Today I had my BSS exam. I went there, I kept the exam, it went pretty well. And tomorrow too I have to prepare, and I'm not prepared for it. Tomorrow I have English, history of literature, so I need to prepare for that. Now I'll be going downstairs to have my snacks, because they give the snacks is around 5 o'clock. Yeah. I just wanted to blog because since I came here I'm not blogging any other thing because it's hectic for me, you know, to go to college and return and do my things. Like I need to wash my clothes too, I need to do, I don't know, I don't get time. It's not that I'm so busy, but my body get tired and I'm not in the mood to blog, so I'm doing it by force now. I'm not in the mood to blog too, but I just want to record the moments. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow after the exam and tell you guys how the exam went. And yeah, please tell me what's happening in your life. I would love to know that. And thank you for subscribing to my channel and for all the support you guys are giving to me. Please continue to support me. I'm no one, like I'm just an ordinary person like all of you. We are equal. It's just that I just love recording moments, and when I see it again I just feel like I'm reliving the moments again. So for that thing I'm doing this. Yeah. Now I'll wash up, I'll wash my face. I don't think I will take a shower because the water is coming so dirty. I've even complained to the warden, like our water, it doesn't come warm water because it is almost winter and I can't take a shower with the cold one because I'll get cold and I don't want that to happen. So yeah, I'll catch you tomorrow and bye for today.
I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to Fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high, but I'm not a pilot, can't deny it. There's some days I feel idiotic, just a product of a system where you're lucky just to make a dollar. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born.
Guys, that was it for the vlog. I hope you enjoy, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. We are 366 people now. I'm very grateful that you subscribe, and please keep on supporting. I will try my best to keep uploading the blog regularly. I'm very sorry, in spite of saying it, I'm not consistent on uploading blog because I have my reasons, but I try to upload short if I can't upload the blog, so I'm trying. Yeah, I hope in future I can do much better than this, and I will see you guys with another vlog. Until then, do what your heart wants, because we are not here forever, so just do it while you can.